affect from there.
So, this one now, before we dey start to dey log in old accounts, to just check, wetin they call am, to check no work wey dey available wey go fit apply. So once you log in the account, if you get old account, or this one man wey I wan show you, if you just use sample of am, use am no work to apply. If you come under your jobs, maybe load this one abeg. If you come under your jobs come click on that job category. You go see different type of job category. They get annotation, they get data collection, they get judging and grading, they get testing, they get transcription, they get translation, UHRS and LLM. Now, the most of the work wey they apply, we dey apply this annotation under annotation. We dey apply annotation. If you click annotation, see different jobs under annotation. We dey apply LLM projects too. You see them, some of them. Then we dey apply the major one we dey apply now. This translation. This translation, like this annotation now the ones who work of recent, who dey work continue now sef. But the particular work wey we apply, you know the dashboard again, lighthouse. This one now wey people dey apply this poly, but this poly they dey remove people quick. So me I no really start applying yet. This poly, but I will show now how to apply this one. But for now, beginning this translation, this translation now they apply. So see this Ashop, I'm gonna apply this one. This Ashop project, Netherlands. Now Netherlands account I use login now. So if you click am now, this learn more. You want to see what the project they about, because you go know the project you want to apply first. The country want to apply the project so that you go build CV, because you see for the beginning as I log in the account, they be tell make I upload CV and the rest all those things. So you go don't get those things in hand before you even start. Also, you want to go open your Oneforma account.
Yeah.
This thing load. So now, see this job now. See the job here. Now translation project. See the number of openings we did here. 25. If they plenty before, it's not good. It's not like 50 in there. 25. But most of these jobs, but they even carry past the normal amount where they budget for. Like this 50 openings we been there initially, they carry like end up carry like 100 people or more safe. Because the openings they enter minus something at times.
Okay.
So see the number of openings we there for this particular project. Then see what they talk. You say required primary phone number to be verified. You see they write yes or yeah. It means you must verify your phone number. Then they say additional requirements. A CV resume is required to apply this project. Then, see the project itself here. The translation. English to Dutch, Netherlands. English US to Dutch, Netherlands. So now, if you don't apply this work, it's either you dey located for one of these countries. See this English United States and Dutch, Netherlands. It's either you apply this project under US account or you apply under Netherlands account. Any of the languages. Any of this you understand, ba?
Yes.
Then see the rate where they pay here, 0.05 per word. Then the required exam where you go need write, now be this. ChatGPT nowadays write all these things. This one, see the required exam. This one, see one of the exams, see the first one, see the second one, then this last one. As I see, now you continue long reach down here. Now just 3 exams. So now they will come tell you what they work they about. So see they write for you this work. Now this thing now we go use, now ChatGPT we go use. Now based on this write up here, and the main reason why we come here be this, because you go need copy this write up where you go use give ChatGPT make it write CV for you based on this based on this description for here. So okay. So as now we don't mostly won't apply this work now, this particular work, this English to Dutch translator. We won't go apply this Ashop. Now this project, mind you, it is different locale. This make I copy something now. See Ashop now. If I come search am for here, they go show you all the whole location with it. They 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to apply now, if you apply for any of these ones, if you apply from Netherlands or US, if you apply from Spain, Spanish, because see this one now they say now English to Spain, Spanish translator. This one they say English to Spain, English to Spanish, Mexico. This one now they say English to Spanish, Mexico. This Mexico now the country. Is that you there for Mexico or United States for this particular one? You understand?
Yes.
Then this one now, they say English United States or Spanish United States. So this one now, you must be US person alone to apply this one. You must be US to apply this one because is that the both like the Spanish person they speak Spanish, they say me na US e for years. See, I say Spanish US. Why this one they say Spanish Mexico?
Why this one is Spanish
This one now they say Spanish Spain. This one now they say Dutch Netherlands. So the languages, but the space where they speak those languages is that you apply, you must apply for any of those countries. You know if you just go now go carry maybe Nigerian account, any other country account. This way happen for that other Finland account, you no gree open the work. So if you know that country, the work no go even go gree open for you to apply. So this one now, this particular one now, na Dutch, na what you call am? Na Dutch account. Now why you gree open? If I try open this one now, you go see say it go show me error. You open.
I think he opened because of say
the work in Netherlands also.
Yes.
You open because the work in Netherlands. But as I try use that Finland, you no gree. But the thing to do now to always open up for the country where you want apply on that. Now, after you don't see work now we want apply. For example, the next way you go come now to copy the work description we go give ChatGPT, we go first build our CV. So now I'll copy from here. You're looking for a Dutch native translator to. So see now, you go even dey advisable, but based on this description wey they give for here, but make you open under Dutch itself. Because see wetin I write say we are looking for a native Dutch Netherlands translator.
Maybe saying that from waiting the thing mean say you from Dutch, you be native of that place.
So it better make you even ignore US, make you always apply for this target language self, this Dutch wey they define for here. So you go copy this one now, copy am, reach. I think this side is okay. Work on engaging lifetime. No. Okay, no. So if you just leave this rate out, no be necessary. Because the main thing we will need to apply the build our CV now this up one for here. So we just copy where they write about the work itself. Because we don't copy them. Then so now I think if we close this, this thing now, no need and save. So now you can open your ChatGPT. Make I create. I want to try create mail. Okay. Then as we apply work under Dutch you will first of all find Dutch name now. It is advisable if you create email make you use the name of the person, the Dutch name we want use create a Oneforma account, but use that name create email so that it will look legit.
Yeah. Okay.
So if you go me now, where I go get my own name, so I go use I go this